Okay, so this is our third question from SQL 50 countries. So here's the question. We have a table called world, and these are the column names: name, continent, area, population, GDP, and these are the data types. Okay, and then there's some information on what type of table it is, like the primary key, etc. And here's the question. So a country is big if it has an area of at least 3 million, so 3 million square kilometers, or it has a population of at least 25 million. So this is the question. Write a solution to find the name, population, and area of the big countries. Return the result set in any order. So we don't have to sort it. So we have to find the name, population, and area, and there's only one table. So it is the world table. So here's an example. So this would be your the table I'm gonna query, and then this will be the output. So we have to find, select the name, population, and then the third one is area. And from our table called world, where, so we have to find all the big countries. So what is the criteria for the big countries? If any one of these two conditions is true, so either it has an area of 3 million square kilometers, or it has a population of 25 million. So it can be either one. So we'll use the or condition here. So first we are gonna say where area is greater than or equal to, and then I'm just gonna copy this, or population is greater than or equal to 25 million. So what we are checking is we are finding the names of all the big countries, and this is the criteria for it. So a country is big if either one of these conditions is true. So we cannot use an and here, because in that case both of the conditions have to be true. So we have to use the or condition. So let me run it now. Accept it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.